Unlocking the meaning. Strike a chord with. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used expression. Strike a chord with. This phrase is not just about music but carries a deeper significance in everyday conversation. Let's explore together how this expression can add nuance to your English communication. Stay tuned as we unlock the meaning and use of strike a chord with. Strike a chord with is an idiom that vividly paints a picture using the world of music as a metaphor. When something strikes a chord, it means it resonates or creates a strong emotional response with someone. This response can be positive or negative, depending on the context. The phrase draws on the idea that certain chords in music can evoke specific feelings in the listener, just as certain words, ideas, or situations can resonate with people on a personal level. The phrase originates from the world of music, where striking a chord can literally mean playing a set of notes that harmonize together. However, in everyday English, it has taken on a more figurative meaning. It's used to describe situations, speeches, stories, or even a piece of art that deeply touches or connects with an individual or audience. For example, the speaker's story about overcoming adversity really struck a chord with me. To better understand how strike a chord with can be used, let's look at some examples. A movie that strikes a chord with the audience might make them feel understood or seen. A politician's speech might strike a chord with voters if it addresses their concerns and hopes. An advertisement could strike a chord with consumers by tapping into their emotions or values. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, highlighting its versatility and emotional impact. When you want to use strike a chord with in your conversations or writing, remember it's all about emotional resonance. Here are a few tips. Think about the audience's values and experiences. What might resonate with them? Use the phrase to emphasize empathy or a deep understanding of a situation. It's perfect for reflective or emotional content where you aim to connect on a personal level with your listeners or readers. I hope this exploration of strike a chord with has resonated with you. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like this can greatly enrich your English communication, making it more vivid and emotionally engaging. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to strike a chord with your audience through your words. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about connecting with others through meaningful communication.